I'm not even halfway.
There's a lot of shit in that pipe. If you're not, oh, here comes the brown.
Oh, dude, there's poo on my fucking Gitsu again. Oh, that's toilet paper, dude. Oh.
Cut it. You better hold the one side of the pipe up.
Well, over here?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Oh, jeez. Oh. Yeah. Where's the... Oh, fuck it. Oh. Oh, my God. It won't cut. Dude, there's like so much shit in here, dude. I can't hardly cut through it. You have to come hold this, Matt.
I'm not holding the fucking thing. Hold on, I'll hold it for you.
Oh, dude, the shit is coming through the cut. Ow.
Dude, so much shit in the pipe.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh.
You just want me to hold it the whole time?
What do you want me to do?
Grab the bucket, dude.
Huh?
Grab the bucket.
I'm getting splattered.
Hold the bucket up to it.
Alright. Holy shit. Alright, pick back up. Oh my God, dude. Where am I going to dump this?
I don't know. You're getting it everywhere, though.
Oh, excuse the fuck out of me. Oh.
This place is really gonna smell like shit now.
Oh my God. Oh. Alright, lift it back up. Oh my God, there's a lot of shit right there. Oh my God. Oh, dude, this is shit is poop. Oh. Alright, lift it up. Oh my God. Oh.
You better bury that shit like a cat.
There's so much of it over there, you can't bury it. Oh, thank God it's almost over. There's still shit hanging out of that.
Oh, shit.
Yep, Google joint broke. Pull your coupling off, Matt. Ah! Ah! Oh! I did. Oh! Dude, there's no water on here. I can't even wash this shit off.
Pull the coupling off, huh?
Yeah, pull that coupling off there, Matt. Oh, dude.
Well, if you
Oh.
if you already got it on you, you might as well just finish it.
Oh, dude, that's like all the way up my arm on my shirt.
So what's the plan, Stan? Are you gonna push that shit down that pipe?
Huh?
Are you gonna push the shit down the copper pipe?
You got somebody you stick in there?
Your arm.
Fuck you, motherfucker.